For 53 years, no human has left Earth's gravitational pull. Not once. Since Apollo 17 returned in 1972, an entire generation has lived and died without seeing humans travel to the moon. But now, that changes. In April 2026, 4 astronauts climb into a spacecraft no bigger than 2 vans. Reed Wiseman, Victor Glover, Christina Koch, Jeremy Hansen. Together, they are rewriting history. The first woman, the first person of color, the first humans in over half a century, heading beyond Earth. This is Artemis II. At Kennedy Space Center, they say goodbye to Earth. Days in quarantine, no contact with family, every heartbeat monitored, every calorie controlled. They suit up, not for comfort, but survival. These are not movie suits. They are pressure systems designed to keep them alive if everything goes wrong. Then they step onto Launch Pad 39B, where legends once stood. Beneath them, the Space Launch System. Taller than the Statue of Liberty, heavier than 8 fully loaded Boeing 747s, producing 8.8 million pounds of thrust. The countdown hits 0. Ignition. The force is brutal. It feels like someone is crushing your chest. You can't move. You can barely breathe. 3 times your body weight. Vibrations shaking your bones from the inside. Then, silence. Weightlessness. A pen floats. Your arms drift. You are no longer on Earth. Through the small windows of Orion spacecraft, Earth curves beneath them. Beautiful. Fragile. They check everything. Life support. Navigation. Communication. Because once they commit, there is no rescue, no space station, no second chance. Then comes the moment, translunar injection, the engine fires, and just like that, they leave Earth forever, for the next 10 days. Inside the capsule, no privacy, no showers, no comfort. A tiny curtain is your only bathroom door. Water is limited, food comes in sealed bags, even going to the toilet becomes a mission. Outside, Earth shrinks, and silence grows. A 1.3-second delay in communication, reminding them they are alone. After 4 days, the moon fills the window. They pass behind it, 4,700 miles from the surface. No human has seen this view since Apollo. The far side is darker, more violent, covered in scars. And Earth? Just a tiny blue dot, small enough to hide behind your thumb. Now comes the real test. Re-entry. Speed, 25,000 mph. Heat, half the temperature of the sun. The heat shield is everything. In Artemis I, it cracked, burned, failed expectations. Now, humans are inside. The capsule turns into a fireball. Windows glow red. Communication cuts off, for minutes. No one knows if they survived. Then, parachutes deploy. A violent splash into the Pacific Ocean. They made it. After traveling 650,000 miles inside a metal capsule, they breathe fresh air again. They didn't go because it was safe. It never has been. Apollo 1, Space Shuttle Challenger disaster, Space Shuttle Columbia disaster. Every mission is a risk, but if that heat shield holds and those parachutes open, they won't just return from the moon. They will open a door that has been closed since 1972. A door not just to visit the moon, but to stay.